I'm going to show you the recipe for Fate microwave jam sponge pudding, and it must be the easiest and quickest of all puddings to do. You need a microwave bowl, an old-fashioned basin, and it must hold at least 1 litre, preferably 1 litre and 200 ml. You can measure it with water from your jug, and that one just about holds 1 litre 200. And into the bottom of that you're going to put some jam. You can use any flavour jam, but I've got raspberry here, and you want about 2 to 3 tablespoons. You use strawberry jam or blackcurrant jam, whatever you want. And what's also nice, if you've got a few berries, especially if I'm using raspberry jam, if you've got a few frozen raspberries to just sprinkle on the top, that would really be nice as well. Now that just gets left on the side, where you get a mixing bowl and a pack, just one 250 gram pack of the Fate low protein cake mix, the plain one. Just open that up and put it into a mixing bowl. Put it onto the scales, and into there you want to measure 65 grams of soft tub margarine. Give it more. And then you need a little bit of liquid, and I'm going to use orange juice, and I've just measured 125 ml of pure orange juice. With a whisk in one hand, throw in the liquid, and just mix until all these ingredients are blended together. Don't worry about the margarine being a little bit lumpy at this stage, it'll all disappear. Just keep mixing. Nice and smooth and well blended. So just get rid of your whisk, and then with a spatula just pour on the mixture on top of the jam in the basin. Now this goes into the microwave. You set it on high for 4.5 minutes. Now it's been in now for 4.5 minutes. I'm just going to take it out, just have a quick look at it. Be careful because it will be really hot. Just going to touch the centre. It's quite firm, but just to make sure, I've just got a skewer. I'm just going to stick it in the middle, and the skewer's clean, so that tells me that the cake is cooked. So I'm just going to leave it on the side for about 5 minutes now, and then I'll turn it out. So this has been out for 5 minutes on the side, so I'm just going to take a small knife and just loosen it all the way around the edge. Be careful because it is still very hot, and especially the jam at the bottom will be really hot. Take a plate, put it on top of the bowl, the basin, and then use a cloth and tip it straight out, and then just holding it quite firmly. I'm still going to use the cloth. Give it a bit of a shake. And then should be nice and loose. Yeah, oops. Just grab it with your cloth. There you are. That's Fate microwave jam sponge pudding. To make Fate chocolate microwave pudding, you will need a pudding basin that holds at least 1 litre 200 ml. Carefully weigh one exchange of suitable chocolate spread. Pour on 50 ml of water. Place into the microwave for about 30 seconds to warm. Stir to make a smooth sauce. Place 250 grams of Fate chocolate cake mix into a mixing bowl. Add 65 grams of soft tub margarine. Pour in 125 ml of water. Use a balloon whisk and mix well for about 1 minute until blended. Pour the cake mixture into the pudding basin on top of the chocolate sauce. Do not stir in. Place into the microwave on high for 4.5 minutes. The power of microwaves do vary, so test it's done by placing a skewer into the centre. If it comes out clean, it's done. Leave to settle for a few minutes before carefully turning out. Fate chocolate microwave pudding.